We have the Dr. Reddy's management with us.
In fact, we do. So, that's the first stock that we're going to look at right now. For Q1, the company's revenues and margins were better than expectations as the US and the India business drove growth. Erez Israeli, the CEO of Dr. Reddy's Labs, is with us. Mr. Israeli, your US business did better this quarter. Can you tell us what exactly led to that growth and what is the way forward now?
Yeah, the US is now on a very healthy trajectory. We launched 3 products. We grew the base business. The generic Revlimid continued to contribute according to the contract. So most of it is a growth of the base products that we have in the United States.
Okay, all right, but give us some more color into it. What's the guidance in terms of growth for the US business? How much will the key products contribute?
We believe that the growth will continue its momentum also in the next coming quarters. We do have 18 to 20 products for the year, in addition to the increase of market shares and generic Revlimid. This more than will offset future price erosion that may come. So far it looks very healthy also in the future.
So your India business did well too. What led to that growth? And can you give us a sense of, the way things will shape up in the India business from here?
Yeah, it's a growth in our leading brands. We are investing a lot in India, and it's helped to grow the business after a lot of years of investment. India is a focus market for us, very important for us to grow and to become one of the leaders in India. In addition to that, we got the Sanofi vaccines that also helped us as we got the business, acquired it from Sanofi, including the sales force that come with it. So it's both organic as well as inorganic type of a growth.
Okay, all right. Now your margins came in better than expectations. What led to the growth and what's the guidance going forward?
We feel that 25% is not an outcome, it's more of a choice. It allows us to give enough as a total shareholder return, and in parallel to that, invest in our future. So the timing of the investment, timing of the revenues is not always in sync. So sometimes we'll be below this number, sometimes above this number. But overall, it allows us to invest in innovation, invest in consumer care, as well in our biologics, in addition to our generic business.
Okay, well, what is the guidance, Mr. Israeli? Will it be 25%? Will it be 28%? And what is the average that we can expect?
No, the average that we always maintain is the 25%. Because it's about timing of products, timing of investment, and stuff like that. So we are not sharpening the pencil on the day-to-day of the margin. It's more of the amount of money that we can share and put into the future, in either in sales and marketing, or in R&D, or in CapEx, or in acquisitions. And so we understand what is the magnitude of the opportunity, and accordingly we are adjusting our activities to go into the future. So the 25%, again, like I mentioned, is an outcome of those calculations. So the short question to answer, the long-term average will stay around the 25, and the ROCE also the same.
So 25% without one-off opportunities like Revlimid?
The 25% is unrelated to a product or activity or a country. It's a choice that we want to have in order to know how much we want to invest in the future versus how much we want to give to the total shareholder return.
Okay, let's focus on basic numbers. Give us a guidance on revenue margin as well as profitability for the entire fiscal.
We will grow double digits in emerging markets.
Is that as a whole on the business, or how much will it grow?
As a whole, like I mentioned, we are always aiming for double digits, at least 25% EBITDA and 25% ROCE. This will continue also in the future. with fluctuation that may happen from a quarter to quarter.
So the recent acquisition of Nicotinell, when does it close and when will it add up in your P&L?
So we hope to close the deal sometimes in the around the Q4 of this calendar year, which means hopefully October, November, this time frame. And from that point of time, it will start to contribute to our P&L.
Okay, what will your M&A strategy be going forward post this acquisition?
We have a very healthy financial situation. We are working in 4 different spaces, the B2B generics, the branded markets, which is branded generics as well as innovation, in consumer care, in biologics. In all of them, we are planning to have a move. Primarily licensing products or getting access to the products or buying brands. That's the type of the activity that we do. We are discussing many deals. We also sign many deals, and that's what you should expect to see also in the future from us.
So in terms of a timeline, when can we expect another possible M&A this year itself?
We are looking for more. We have financial capacity to do more. When it will happen, whenever a deal can be signed, it's hard to predict. But obviously, once we are discussing all the time deals, small and big, and let's see what will happen.
Okay, what is your status on the GLP-1 drugs?
We are there, and we are planning to launch them once the patents will allow us to launch them.
Tell us more then, sir. What kind of opportunity are you looking at when it comes to GLP-1?
It's obviously a very, very big opportunity. We are planning to launch it. It's actually multiple products. Naturally, semaglutide is the biggest of them, but we are in all the peptides, in all the products that consist of the family of GLP-1, and we are planning to launch them in all the markets in the world. So for us, it's a very big opportunity.
So in Eli Lilly, are you in talks for a possible tie-up in India for their GLP-1 drug?
We do not have a relationship with the company, but like I mentioned, we are planning to have all the products that are related to GLP-1 in our portfolio. Our products, not somebody else's product.
Okay, thanks a lot for joining in. I appreciate your time here on CNBC TV18. Well, the market is all set to open in 5 minutes from now and looks like it's going to be a really solid opening. The Nifty is up already about 100 odd points. It's led by the Bank Nifty and, lots of big ups to the ICICI Bank stock because that one looks like it's going to open in the green. IndusInd Bank is also up despite not a great set of numbers coming in. NTPC had a very strong set of numbers, so that one is up about 2%. But so